Hey guys, I'm doing a video. My AC went out last week. Took it to Chevrolet. I know my truck's a GMC, but Chevrolet's closer to my house. It only got 36,946 miles when the AC went out. So, told him my AC was not cooling, and there you go. What the problem is? The AC compressor hose was leaking. Replaced it. So the part was $130. The bracket is the one that is missing on these 2014 2015 trucks. So that part is $6.86. There goes the part number if y'all need it. And that's how much it's gonna cost if you take it to Chevrolet or GMC and get your truck fixed. And I just picked up my truck right now. It's 6/18/2019 here in Houston, Texas. And you can see I need the AC. We need the AC here in Texas. It's 91 degrees and it's 8:50. So the bracket, bought an extra bracket for my brother's truck. There you go, is the part number again. And that's the bracket right there. So make sure your truck has that bracket, or if not, your AC might go out. Let me go show you where exactly the AC hose at. Let me see, where's it at? You can see where there's a brand new hose, all black. The rest of them are dirty. AC compressors down there. You can see the brand new. You can see the bracket. I don't want to put my hand in there because the truck is still hot. But let me zoom in real quick. There you go. You see the bracket. That's the new hose. And let me show you where all the AC freon was leaking underneath the truck. You can see and there you go, there's another view of the AC hose from the bottom left side of the truck, or passenger side. So I just wanted to make this video to show you how much would it cost to have the repair make at the dealer, or try to make it yourself. I just decided to take it to the dealer since it was too hot for me to work on it. I'll try to make a video next weekend when it's not hot and the truck is cool. Any questions, just ask me. Thanks for watching.